So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at $82,000 and 500. And the overall situation of Bitcoin has not changed much this time when it went towards our support area of 81,500. What it did is that it did a little bit of over deliverance again. Last time, if you remember, it went to 81,300. This time it went to 81,200. But what matters is to see that the candles, bodies, over here, everywhere, even on 4 hours, these are just wicks. The bodies of the candles, they are staying above this area. Now, I have mentioned this previously as well, and I'm mentioning it again, that 81,500 is a critically important area, and so many structures are depending on it as well. Some people can argue for this thing to be a head and shoulder. This can be the one shoulder, this can be the head, another shoulder, even though this head is arguably close to the head of it. Shoulders generally are smaller than the head, as you can see. So technically it shouldn't be this high, but just for the sake of it, or just ignore it, fuck that part, you can call it one top, second top, triple top. This is a triple top. This is a bearish structure. Deliverance on 81,500 would only send us further down, and when I say further down, I'm talking about going down all the way towards the area of $74,000. Yesterday was fun. It again made an attempt to go towards our area of $90,000 and it again failed. I've been sharing this with you again and again. Yesterday we talked about how important $85,000 is, and I told you that it has conquered $85,000 area, and it had closed one candle above it. And then we were talking about if it closes second candle above it, then things would be really nice. And at that time, it had started the second candle when I was making the video, and you can say the closing was way below it. This is how the market works, how it reacts, and when it went up towards the $90,000 target area, it again, of course, missed. It only went to 88,500. Like last time, 88,700. It didn't bother going towards the area of $90,000. So we missed out on that again. But as I had shown you yesterday, that this is under the downward trend. Over here, I told you that it is going to do a breakout of $85,000. Try to go up. And once it comes back, then it will have two levels of support. One will be the red line, one will be the black line. It didn't give a fuck and it just broke through it with one candle. Now this aggressive breaking, of course you can blame news for it, and it is the news reaction. The overall structure couldn't hold and it went down. Now until and unless we don't break above this red line or go back to $85,000, to make it extremely simple, this coin is now going to continue with the downward journey. Bitcoin is going to stick to the overall downward journey, and it is not going to be able to start any form of uptrend. And that is sad in a sense that if Bitcoin is not starting upward journey, and by conquering $85,000 it is not able to do that, then only thing that I can expect from Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is going to start its journey towards $74,000, unfortunately. So far, it is holding 81,500. We have not seen two daily closes above $85,000, which confirms that we are stuck in a downward trend, but it also it doesn't confirm that we have lost 81,500, which is our last straw. Once we see two daily closing above $85,000, which we are struggling with right now, even with such big ass candles, one candle made an attempt successfully, the second one just shitted itself. Until and unless we don't see $85,000, there is no upward journey. It is going to be a game between 81,500 and 85,000 until one thing breaks. Either the 81,500 breaks for more than 2 days, then we start the beautiful journey towards 74. Or we go and conquer 85, then we start the journey towards $90,000. At this stage, there are hints of bearishness, but I don't see anything because we are still holding 81,500. Until that is not lost, we cannot turn bearish yet. We just need to lose that as well, and then we will turn bearish. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.